produces some really ugly code, though. That's the drawback. If you want people to be able to look at the code and figure out what it means, fully qualified names are not a great way to go. But it's the safest option. Your other option is to watch for words that you're reserving and exclude those. So you basically say, hey, user, you cannot call your thing list. I'm using list. That's a little harsh. Another option, which is actually a little harsher, is if they happen to use the same name, they're going to get compiler errors in their generated code. And that's not terribly pleasant. You want to avoid that as much as you can. But sometimes you're going to miss something, and it's going to happen like that. Now I'm going to show you how to put imports in, but in general, a better strategy is to just go ahead and fully qualify everything. So what I want to do is let's add a list type here. So let's say I'm going to have a list field. So we're going to say list, whoops, blah, and then type equals name. Come on. Blah, whoop. And no, type equals ID. And then name equals ID. Something like that. So this defines the idea of a list field. Now we have a list field, we're also going to need a simple field, right? So you have two types of fields now. I'm going to once again create a parent type. So I can still keep using either one of those as a possible field. If it's a simple field, it's going to look like that.